it's your girl CG OnTrend, and I'm back to you today with a get ready with me video. If you're new to my channel, hey y'all, and if you've been here before, welcome back. I'm going to take you through the process of me getting ready to shoot an actual styling video. This is just a little different, just to get away from the fashion videos and the styling videos and all the clothes that y'all see me do. So if y'all like what I'm doing, let me know down below, and I'll do more makeup tutorials with you guys, and I'll also do more get ready with me's. So basically we're just gonna go through hair and makeup, and we're gonna start with I want to do my hair first, and then we'll do my makeup. So yeah, so if you see me looking over here, I'm looking in the mirror. So to start, I'm just gonna brush my hair down completely and go ahead and clip it up for the flat ironing process. I'm just gonna part it in sections all the way around and just give it a nice little pass through with my Tyke flat iron. It's a very good flat iron. I do own the blow dryer that goes with that flat iron. It is really, really good, and I purchased it at my local beauty supply store. And I'm just going on and on with the process. I'm jamming in the background, y'all. The music is good. Good, nice, good soul music I was listening to. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the baby hairs. I'm not gonna do a lot with this. I'm just gonna just cut that up a little bit and take the Gotta Be spray and spray it, just so that it kind of holds in place. Nothing fancy. I'm also gonna go ahead and take the Got to Be spike gel and do the other side, just so that it's more cleaner and it looks better. And I just pull a little bit of hairs from the hairline. I'm not gonna cut it on the side because I don't want those to actually be cut. This is just for this one look I'm doing today. Just some nice subtle baby hairs, not anything extravagant. Yep, real simple. Then I just take the Gotta Be Glue spray and I smooth it down a little bit. I'm gonna take my Remington curling wand and go ahead and smooth that out and just get rid of all the flyaways. And there is a gnat in the bathroom. It was really getting on my nerves. Now I'm just gonna take my pink oil moisturizer, oil sheen, kind of give it a little sheen, slick it down, and we're good to go. I think this is it. Yeah, and this is just a sleek look that I want to go for in my videos today. Now, on to makeup. So to prep for my makeup, I'm just going to move the hair back on the side. I'm going to start by cleaning my face with the Biore Micellar Water Cleanser. Just to clean all of the hair products off of my face, and just to generally just clean my face and open up my pores and get ready to apply my makeup. I'm going to take regular Vaseline just to moisturize my lips during this whole makeup process. I'm going to go ahead and smooth my face out with the e.l.f. priming lotion so that my makeup goes on really smooth. And I'm using the Milani 2-in-1 foundation in the color Amber. This is my favorite foundation. I just go ahead and mark that T, cheek to cheek, forehead to chin, and then I just kind of blend it all in. For this video, I actually did use 2 layers, but you're only going to see me apply 1 layer. But it has really good coverage. You really don't need 2 layers. Next, I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses concealer in beige, and I'm going to go ahead and put some under the eye and also in the T-zone, just to highlight my face a little bit. And I'm going to let that sit and get a little bit dry before I smooth it in. Next, I'm gonna prepare my eyebrows to be put on. I'm gonna just comb them out with a spoolie, and then I use my clean color angle brush and my LA Girl brow kit, and I take the lightest brown and begin applying my eyebrows. I can usually get the first eyebrow done without any problems. It's the second eyebrow that always gives me the issues. I know they're not supposed to be sisters, but they can be close relatives. So it takes me a minute to get that second eyebrow like I want it, but eventually they come out right. And as you can see, I'm going back and forth in between. Now I'm just going to take that spoolie and just kind of smooth all of that out. And I take my concealer and I just clean all of the eyebrow powder on the top and the bottom of my eyebrows to give it a nice clean look. Now I'm going to take a foundation brush and just go ahead and smooth out that concealer under the eye that I let sit in my T-zone, and just kind of smooth that out and blend that into my face. See, I'm still working on that eyebrow over there. What y'all think? Now I'm going to go ahead and apply eyeshadow. I'm going to begin by putting on some NYX eyeshadow primer. And I'll just smooth that in with my fingertips. I'm going to use a smoky eye palette by Profusion. I really like this palette. I purchased it at DD's discount. Y'all know my favorite stove. But I'm just going to take the greenish color and apply that to my lid. On both sides, of course. And then I want to take a shade of brown and use that for the crease of my eye. And once I get that on, I'm just going to go ahead and blend it in really good. I'm going to take a lighter shade in that palette, and I'm going to use that for my corner, the corner of my eye. I do like to highlight that part of my eye because I think my eyes are a good asset on my face. So I always want to highlight that with that the lightest color in the palette. So I think it just makes your eyes pop just a little bit more. Next, I'm going to take the e.l.f. High Definition Powder and go ahead and apply that under the eye and on my T-zone just to kind of give that concealer just a little highlighted look. But when you're on camera, it just makes it look more matte to me. But that's just my opinion. And next, I'm going to take my e.l.f. foundation kit. I'm going to take the lightest shade and I'm going to use that in my brow bone, just to kind of highlight the brow bone area. And just rub that in with my fingertips. And now I'm going to go ahead and brush that powder off, any excess powder that is left off. I'm just going to take a little flathead brush and just brush that off. Also going to take that same foundation palette and contour my nose. I do not do a lot of contouring because I feel like I have very good cheekbones, nice cheek structure. So I don't only highlight my nose, I only contour my nose. Not that I have a big nose, but I just kind of like the contouring of my nose. Next, you'll see me take the LA Girl blush palette, and I'm going to use the first pink. It's just a nice little rosy pink. And get your cheeks all rosy. Look at that. And let's highlight. I take my Wet n Wild highlighter and just go ahead and apply that to my cheekbone. I'm also going to take it and go up the bridge of my nose and my eyebrows, the brow bone area. We want all those parts of the face to stand out. And I'm just blending out that highlighter and that contour. Next, it's time to put on some eyeliner, and I just simply use a generic eyeliner, and I just go ahead and put that under the eye. Lash time. I put my lashes on off camera. because that is a long and lengthy process. But here you just see me just squeezing them on, just kind of blend them with my natural eyelashes. I'm going to take my e.l.f. mascara and just go ahead and blend them in a little bit further. Make sure they're nice and good. Then I want to take the Tattoo Matte eyeliner and line the top of my eye above the lash, just so that it gets rid of that lash line and that you kind of don't see it. Also makes your eyes pop a little bit more as well too. Yeah. Next, let's get these lips together. Now that they're all nice and matte, moisturized with that Vaseline, I'm gonna take this Ruby Kisses lip color in the color Mulberry and give myself like a nice little pinkish purplish lip for this look. Subtle eyes and a pop color for the lip. And I'm gonna line my lips with a Ruby Kisses lip liner in wine and just clean all the details up, and this is the final look. Let me know what y'all think. And if you would like to see me do more makeup looks, I'm here for it.